The 2025 Aviator keeps its reputation as a strong contender in the luxury SUV game. Still offering seating for 7 and tons of cargo space, it's perfect for families or anyone who wants to travel in first-class comfort. Think of it as going toe-to-toe with the big names like the BMW X5 and the Audi Q7, but with that undeniable American luxury touch. Today we're taking a sleek look at the all-new 2025 Lincoln Aviator. This luxurious midsize SUV isn't messing around, offering power, space, and serious tech upgrades for the year ahead. Before we jump in, hit that like button and smash subscribe to stay notified on all things automotive. Stay tuned. While the overall design stays sleek and modern, the 2025 Aviator prioritizes making your ride even more enjoyable. Get ready for a luxurious transformation inside. We're talking premium materials everywhere, new comfort features, and potentially stunning new upholstery options. Imagine sinking into massaging seats while controlling everything with a massive 13.2 inches touchscreen infotainment system. The latest sync technology is rumored to be on board, offering seamless smartphone integration and a user-friendly interface. Advanced driver assistance systems might also see an upgrade, so keep your eyes peeled for those details. While the sleek and modern exterior design likely carries over, expect subtle tweaks like a revised front fascia or updated lighting elements. New wheel options and color choices are also possibilities for further personalization. Under the hood, the proven 3.0-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission is likely staying put. This powerhouse delivers ample power, with horsepower exceeding 400 on some trims. Rear-wheel drive is expected to be standard, with all-wheel drive available for extra grip. Lincoln typically offers a range of trims to suit your budget and preferences. The base trim focuses on essentials like a sunroof and heated seats, while the Reserve adds features like a panoramic sunroof and advanced driver assistance systems. The Black Label trim offers the ultimate in luxury with unique design elements and top-shelf materials throughout. Official numbers haven't been released yet, but expect fuel economy figures to be similar to the 2024 model. That means looking at combined fuel economy in the 18-20 miles per gallon range, with highway figures potentially reaching the mid-20 seconds miles per gallon range. As of now, there aren't any rumors of a plug-in hybrid option for the 2025 Lincoln Aviator. We're still waiting on the official price tag for the 2025 Lincoln Aviator. Since the update scene focused on interior and technology, expect the starting price to be similar to the 2024 model, which began around $53,000. Stay tuned for official details from Lincoln on pricing, fuel economy, and the release date. In the comments below, tell us what excites you most about the 2025 Lincoln Aviator. Stay up to date on the newest trends in the automotive world, and make sure to hit that subscribe button to never miss a video. Thanks for watching.